Linking Road haul. Now it's been so long that I went to Bandra Linking Road and उस दिन मेरा कैमरा ख़राब हो गया था लेकिन last month and I had to get it repaired and the nearest Canon service center to my place was in Andheri and then Andheri से we happened to go to Bandra also and Bandra जाओ और Bandra Linking Road ना जाओ then what's the point? I wanted to show it to you guys and yeah, let's get started. But before starting this video, if you're somebody who's watching this space for the very first time, hi, my name is Deepa and I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion related content here on my channel, and if that is something that interests you then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. नीचे एक red color का subscribe button है, click कर दो, click on the grey little notification bell right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. This is how my Instagram looks like. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so Linking Road पे जब हम गए, there were so many precautions that were taken. Every store में we were getting our hands sanitized and हमारा temperature भी हर जगह record हो रहा था and we were constantly asked to wear our masks. So it's like super duper safe. So please do not guys come at me. Just a quick disclaimer I wanted to put in. Okay, so let's begin with denims. So the first thing that I picked up from Bandra Linking Road was this really pretty blue denims. Now these are like really long denims and ये ना नीचे जाके ankle पे थोड़ी सी fold out हो जाती है, like मैं generally fold कर देती हूँ. These are like really long denims. Not the most comfortable denims I would say because denims में you really need to have comfort. But ये उतना ज़्यादा comfortable नहीं है, but it is fine for like running errands and going out for a couple of hours or something. This one is by the brand Jealous 21. I haven't really heard about this brand, so yeah, this is the first thing that I picked up. Now it has this really pretty orange detail strap which is like pretty useless, but it's just a nice detail. This one retailed for 250 rupees and I think it's like a decent buy, nothing extraordinary, but I think 250 रुपए में it's worth it. Okay, so the first top that I picked up is like this really pretty shirt right here. It has this really nice mesh detail at the back and सामने buttons हैं and then it has blue and white stripes all over. Now this is probably one of the most comfortable pieces that I picked up. It fits me really nice. It's slightly loose but I really like the oversized look on me and the fabric is really nice. It's super duper comfortable. थोड़ा भी itchy या चिपचिपाई skin पे नहीं लगता. Really like this one. It's a basic colored shirt, so nothing so fancy. This one was for 200 rupees. Moving on to the next top. It's not a top, it's more of a sweater. It's like a very nice thick material and black color में है and it looks something like this. It has geometrical shapes all over. Now I'm pretty sure that I won't be wearing it in Bombay because Bombay में तो सर्दियाँ होती ही नहीं है, but I'm definitely going to travel somewhere and it's going to be chilled there. So वहाँ के लिए it's going to be super duper amazing. It has like these full sleeves, so it is definitely going to keep me warm and it's like a basic sweater. It comes till my waist and I really like this one. This with the blue denims is going to look bomb. This sweater was for rupees 200. Moving on to the next top. This is what the next top looks like. इसका भी material थोड़ा सा thick है. It is like this really nice blue top and it has the alternate stripes of black and white all over it. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है ये. It has a different neckline, ना round है ना V है. It's like a little broader neckline and I really like this neckline. I mean it's something different for me. Sleeves 3/4 के आसपास आती हैं, which is like really nice. Material थोड़ा सा thick है. It's not like those cotton breathable material, so थोड़ा सा thick है. Good for winters, good for chilled weathers. Simple basic top retailed for 200 rupees. So this particular top is like the right fit. बहुत ज़्यादा tight नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा loose नहीं है, oversized नहीं है. जैसा मुझे चाहिए वैसा ही इसका fitting आया, so I'm really glad about it. On to the next top. I really liked this top and I got a lot of compliments when I wore this. Now this is how it looks like. It's a very nice beige fawn sort of a color. I've been really into this color these days. It has that chikankari work, kundan work. I don't know what it's called. I think it's chikankari. So it has that chikankari work, like छोटे flowers हैं all throughout. Looks super duper pretty. But yeah, you cannot wear it on its own. You will have to wear an inner inside because otherwise wardrobe malfunction हो जाएगा. Anyways, it looks really nice. The color is super duper amazing. Sleeves 3/4 आती हैं and sleeves are this like really nice puffy ruffle sort of a sleeve. Oh my god, while wearing this happens to be my most favorite top, trust me. It's like not super tight, it's not super loose, it's like the right amount of flowiness that I would want from this top. So I really like this one. Moving on to the next item, this is what I picked up. Now this is like this really pretty long sort of palazzo pants, pajama pants, जो भी आप उसको बोलना चाहते हो. It comes with this really nice elastic and इसके अंदर अलग अलग टाइप के cool shade के stripes हैं, and this is the main thing that I got attracted towards. And बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable fit है. It would be a perfect thing to wear with a black top or a white top for a brunch, or maybe for a morning walk, or maybe for a morning date. I mean, yeah, it would look really nice. This is how it looks like, and yeah, this one retailed for 100 rupees, and I'm so happy about it. Moving on to the next item. Next item is like this kurti. Now this kurti is not mine, obviously. It's for my mom, and it's slightly tight on her, so I've asked her to lose a little bit of weight so that she can fit into it. But even if she doesn't take, I'm going to take it. Like, I'll get it altered and wear it. I really like this kurti. I mean, I really like the color. Like, it's simple, and I really like the neckline. मतलब neckline ना एक showstopper है इसका. यहाँ पे ना एक mesh है, and it has these tiny pearls over it, and it just speaks so loud to me. I think this would look really nice with black leggings, black palazzo pants, or just black straight cut pants, or even with denims. It's going to look super duper nice. Again, sleeves 3/4 हैं, and it has that again थोड़ा सा fluff up वाला pattern यहाँ पे, and then again pearls यहाँ पे है. I'm really bad at explaining how it looks like, but yeah, you would definitely see it in the try on thing. I would adjust it somehow and wear it and show it to you guys. Bottom तक तो it's like super duper plain. This one was for 200 rupees, but I'm so sad that my mom couldn't fit into it, but koi na, it's a very nice kurti. Moving on to the next kurti which I bought for myself. It's this really nice चिकनकारी कुर्ती. It's like this white कुर्ती, staple है. मुझे बहुत टाइम से एक अच्छी चिकनकारी white कुर्ती चाहिए थी. When I checked it on Myntra, it was like for $900, $1,000, and I was not sure कि मैं उसमें से कितना यूज़ निकाल पाऊँगी. So I didn't really buy it from Myntra, and I was so happy when I found it in Bandra. It has again 3/4 sleeves. Looks very nice. बीच में हल्का सा white में sippy work भी है, which is like an extra element to this kurti. It's like 3/4 length. The length is very nice. It's like knee length, and it looks very nice. नीचे की तरफ आप आओगे तो it has these small circular patterns जहाँ से आपका kurti, leggings, pants, plazos are going to show up, which adds like a really nice tiny element. Then यहाँ पे there are these chikankari patterns, and oh my god, this is one of my favorite. Again, cotton is very nice. However, I would say that it can be a little transparent, a little see-through, so you would have to wear something nude inside. So just to make sure that ये इतना ज़्यादा see-through ना लगे. This one was for $200, and I really love it. Moving on to the next favorite thing of mine in this haul, and I'm sure that this is going to be your favorite too. It's this really pretty black dress, and with these golden glitter stripe details all over it, and black इतना ज़्यादा prominent नहीं होके आ रहा है because the gold is really prominent. And हम Christmas के आसपास गए थे, तो I was pretty sure that I would find something like this, and I really got it. इसका भी neckline थोड़ा सा अलग है. It's like those boat necks that we call. It's not off shoulder, it's not cold shoulder, it's not normal shoulder. It's like a different neckline, and I really like this. Now this one was slightly expensive. I think this one was for 400 or 450, but I still feel it's a very nice dress for functions, for parties, and just for casual night outs. This is going to be super duper amazing. Again, fabric बिल्कुल भी चुभता नहीं है. It's not those pricky वाला fabric, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It's a very nice, comfortable, breathable fabric. So that's the best thing about it. The next thing that I picked up are these black palazzo pants. Now you can't really see them because I'm wearing right here, but these are so comfortable, you guys. I've been really wearing them on all my kurtis, on all my tops at home, and these are like the most comfortable palazzo pants that I've ever owned. Now इसके अंदर भी चिकनकारी का work है, as you guys can see, and I really like these because of the fact that these are so comfortable. Now you could clearly see that I love chicankari. Coming back to these pants, breathable fabric, really nice. Really like the fit. I mean, सबसे अच्छा fit ना मुझे इसका लगता है because it's the right fitting. it's not too tight, it's not too loose, मतलब मैं हर चीज़ के लिए बोल रही हूँ, but it's the right amount of fitted on my thighs, and then नीचे जाते जाते थोड़ा बहुत लूज हो जाता है. Really like these. Yeah, these were for like 150 rupees. 150 rupees में it's like a super duper nice steal. Bandra Linking Road जाओ और jewelry ना खरीदो, it's like next to impossible. So I picked up this really pretty dainty neck piece. It's like this really nice layered chain. नीचे एक evil eye है and ऊपर एक turquoise color का bead है. So it's like this golden chain and नीचे एक evil eye pendant है and ऊपर एक turquoise color का pendant है, and I really like it. मैंने इसको 4 से 5 बार पहना है and I've got so many compliments. I know it looks really nice. I know it looks super duper cute. Slightly tannish हो रहा है ये, I would say, but I think 100 rupees का है, so even if I wear it for 5 to 7 times, it's going to be worth it. Moving on, I picked a lot of earrings. So I picked up these really pretty झुमकीज. Now these are like golden झुमकीज. मैंने उसको अपने रील में स्टाइल करा है. So if you really want to see how it looks on me, then head over to my Instagram and have a look on my reels. Now these are like multicolored kundanकारी बोलेंगे ना, मीनाकारी, I'm not sure, kundanकारी मीनाकारी earrings with these really nice tiny झुमकीज right here and छोटे छोटे pearl का भी pattern. It's like so pretty. Indian outfits के साथ तो it's going to look bomb. I've worn it a couple of times and I really like it. This one was for 150 rupees if I'm not wrong, but yeah, these are super duper lightweight. Moving on to the next earrings that I picked up, it's these really pretty turquoise drop shaped earrings. आसपास में उसके this silver material है and these are super duper lightweight. मैंने इनको पहना नहीं है but they feel like super duper lightweight, and these would look so pretty with the contrasting top, like with a black top or maybe with a white top. ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेंगे, and I think these are like really nice, and these were for like 80 rupees. The last pair of earrings that I picked up, it's these really pretty oxidized U-shaped earrings, and this originally I picked up for my sister because I video called her from there and she really liked it, so I was like ठीक है ले लेते हैं. So these are like really pretty oxidized earrings and these were for like 50 rupees. नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल वाला काम है and ऊपर they have these attachment जिससे आप उनको अपने ears में attach कर सकते हो. So these are like really pretty and these were for 50 rupees. I think I said this before. Okay, next I picked up these really pretty red earrings. वो teardrop जैसे ही है but these are like circular. Center में एक red color का layer है and again bottom में silver oxidized material है. They look really pretty. I styled it with a black saree. Obviously reel पे uploaded है. You can go to my Instagram to watch how they look. But they look really nice. These are like super lightweight. बिल्कुल भी weight इनको नहीं है. And these are super duper comfortable too, and again these were for like 80 rupees or 50 rupees, not really sure. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. नीचे एक रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, क्लिक कर दो. नोटिफिकेशन बेल है, क्लिक कर दो. Also follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here. This is how my Instagram looks like, and I shall see you guys super duper soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Lots of love. Bye.